an effortless victory.
A familiar face is always nice to see, but yours is not welcome here. For love and justice, pretty sailor-suited soldier, Sailor Moon!
Sailor Venus!
Sailor Jupiter!
Sailor Mercury!
We are the Sailor Team! And in the name of the moon, we will punish you!
You call this a challenge? You'll never defeat me.
Venus! Mercury!
Jupiter!
Mars! Are you guys okay?
Turning a sacred place into a battleground is an unforgivable outrage. Let this be our final battle. Such insolence! Sailor Moon!
Right.
You're going to have to do better than that, child.
Sailor Moon!
This place. Why am I here?
I have brought you here because you require my aid, Serenity.
You.
I am Karai. Though you may not remember me now, you and I are of flesh and blood. Long ago, I sealed myself within your heart, but I can no longer remain dormant.
Within my heart. But how can I have no memory of this?
All things will be revealed in due time, Serenity. As I have watched you grow, I have also grown with you. I was the pounding in your heart as you fought, the tears that fell when you cried. Please, believe in me.
I can't keep what isn't mine. I believe everyone deserves a second chance.
In this situation, only you can decide what right and wrong truly is.
Before the coming of the night, the moon shows papery white.
Before the dawning of the day, she fades away.
What?
I grow tired of this nonsense. This ends here!
I'm a shooting star, breaking through the darkness. Sailor Starfighter!
Starfighter?
Princess, now!
Sailor Moon. We don't know anything about her. She could be a threat.
You have always been so quick to judge, Mars. You best hold your tongue this time.